What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to Omni Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, Omni Academy offers 50 plus free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. Omni Academy, your career transformation starts here, and it starts free.
Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to today's free Microsoft Office workshop. First of all, thank you so much for taking the time to join us today. Whether you are a student, a fresh graduate, an office employee, a business owner, a freelancer, or someone looking for a better job opportunity, you have made an excellent decision by joining this workshop. Today's session is designed to help you understand how Microsoft Office can significantly improve your productivity, save time, increase accuracy, and help you become more efficient in both your professional and personal life. Many people think Microsoft Office is just about typing documents or creating presentations, but that's not true. Microsoft Office is one of the most powerful productivity tools used by millions of professionals around the world every single day. Companies expect employees to know how to work efficiently with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and other Microsoft Office applications. In fact, many recruiters consider Microsoft Office proficiency a basic requirement before hiring candidates. The difference between an average employee and a high-performing employee often comes down to how effectively they use these tools. Imagine two employees. Both have the same education. Both have the same experience. One spends 4 hours completing a report. The other finishes the same report in 1 hour using Microsoft Office shortcuts, templates, automation, formatting tools, and smart features. Who do you think will receive better performance reviews? Who will likely receive promotions? Who will become more valuable to the organization? The answer is obvious. Productivity creates opportunities, and Microsoft Office is one of the easiest ways to improve your productivity. Throughout today's workshop, we'll explore practical skills that you can immediately start using in your workplace. This isn't just a theoretical session. You'll learn real techniques that professionals use every day. By the end of this workshop, you'll understand how Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and other Office applications can completely transform the way you work. So sit back, grab a notebook, and let's begin this exciting learning journey together. Workshop agenda. Before we dive into the technical topics, let's quickly look at today's roadmap. We'll be covering understanding Microsoft Office, why Microsoft Office skills matter, Microsoft Word essentials, advanced Word productivity features, Microsoft Excel basics, Excel functions and formulas, data analysis, charts and dashboards, Microsoft PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft Teams, Office productivity tips, AI integration in Microsoft Office, career opportunities, and final Q&A. By the end of today's workshop, you'll have a clear understanding of how Microsoft Office. Why Microsoft Office is still the world's most important productivity suite. Let's begin with an important question. Have you ever wondered why Microsoft Office remains one of the most widely used software suites, even after decades? Technology has changed dramatically. Thousands of new applications have entered the market. Cloud computing has become common. Artificial intelligence is transforming workplaces. Yet Microsoft Office continues to dominate businesses worldwide. Why? Because organizations rely on structured communication, documentation, reporting, presentations, collaboration, and data management. Every company needs documents, reports, invoices, business proposals, meeting notes, financial calculations, presentations, emails, project planning, performance tracking. Microsoft Office provides all these capabilities within one integrated ecosystem. That's why professionals across healthcare, finance, education, government, IT, engineering, manufacturing, retail, logistics, hospitality, and nearly every industry use Microsoft Office daily. If you master Microsoft Office, you're developing a transferable skill that can benefit you, regardless of your career path. What makes a productive employee? Let's discuss productivity. Many people think productivity means working longer hours. Actually, productivity means achieving better results in less time. Imagine you manually format every document. You repeatedly type the same information. You search endlessly for files. You calculate everything using a calculator. You create every presentation from scratch. How much time would you waste? Now imagine using templates, styles, keyboard shortcuts, automatic tables, mail merge, SmartArt, quick parts, autocorrect, Excel formulas, PowerPoint designer, instant charts, automation. Suddenly, tasks that once took hours can be completed in minutes. That's productivity. Employers value employees who save time because time equals money. Every minute saved contributes to higher efficiency and better organizational performance. Common mistakes Office employees make. Before learning Microsoft Office properly, let's identify some. Introduction to Microsoft Word. Now let's move into our first application. Microsoft Word. If someone asks you what Microsoft Word is, you might say, it's used for typing. But Word is much more than a typing application. Microsoft Word is a professional document creation and editing software. It allows users to create business reports, letters, invoices, research papers, contracts, manuals, books, resumes, meeting minutes, certificates, flyers, brochures, proposals, forms, policies, training documents, and much more. Organizations around the world rely on Microsoft Word because it provides consistency, professionalism, and collaboration features. Understanding the Word interface. Let's become familiar with the Microsoft Word workspace. When you first open Microsoft Word, you'll notice several important areas. At the very top is the title bar, which displays the name of your current document. Below that is the Quick Access toolbar. This toolbar gives you one-click access to frequently used commands such as save, undo, and redo. Next comes the ribbon. The ribbon contains tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Review, and View. Each tab groups related tools together. The Home tab contains formatting options. The Insert tab allows you to add pictures, tables, icons, shapes, SmartArt, and charts. The Layout tab controls page settings. The References tab helps with citations and table of contents. The Review tab provides spelling, grammar, comments, and track changes. The View tab allows you to change document views and workspace settings. Understanding the ribbon alone can dramatically improve your efficiency. Instead of randomly searching for features, you'll know exactly where to find them. Creating professional documents. One mistake beginners often make is jumping directly into typing. Professionals start with planning. Ask yourself, who will read this document? What is its purpose? Should it be formal or informal? What formatting style should I use? Should it contain headings? Will it include tables? Should images be inserted? Will it be printed or viewed digitally? Planning before typing results in cleaner, more professional documents. A well-structured document reflects professionalism and attention to detail. Formatting like a professional. Formatting is not about making text look fancy. It's about improving readability and consistency. Professional formatting includes using appropriate fonts, maintaining consistent font sizes, applying headings correctly, using proper spacing, adding page numbers, creating headers and footers, aligning paragraphs appropriately, using bullets and numbering consistently, applying styles rather than manual formatting. When formatting is consistent, readers can focus on your content instead of being distracted by inconsistent layouts. Keyboard shortcuts that save time. Now let's explore some essential keyboard shortcuts every professional should know. Instead of relying solely on your mouse, using keyboard shortcuts can significantly increase your speed. Here are some of the most useful ones. Ctrl+C copies selected content. Ctrl+V pastes copied content. Ctrl+X cuts selected content. Ctrl+Z undoes your last action.
Ctrl+Y redoes an undone action. Ctrl+A selects all content. Ctrl+S saves your document instantly. Ctrl+B applies bold formatting. Ctrl+I italicizes text. Ctrl+U underlines selected text. Ctrl+F opens the Find feature. Ctrl+H opens Find and Replace. Ctrl+P opens the print window. Ctrl+K inserts hyperlinks. Learning these shortcuts may seem like a small improvement, but over weeks, months, and years, they can save countless hours of work. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application designed to organize, calculate, analyze, and visualize data. Think of it as much more than rows and columns. It's a powerful platform for managing information, making calculations, identifying trends, and supporting better decisions. Excel is used across virtually every industry because it helps people turn raw data into meaningful insights. With Excel, you can create budgets, track expenses, manage inventory, analyze sales, monitor employee attendance, build schedules, calculate salaries, forecast business performance, create dashboards, generate reports. It's no surprise that Excel proficiency is one of the most requested skills in job descriptions. Understanding the Excel interface before entering data, it's important to understand the Excel workspace. When you open Excel, you'll see a grid made up of rows and columns. Rows are numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on. Columns are labeled A, B, C, D, and so forth. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Every cell has a unique reference, such as A1, B5, C12, D20. These references are essential because formulas and functions rely on them. At the top, you'll find the ribbon, organized into tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. You'll also notice the formula bar where you can enter or edit formulas. Getting familiar with these areas makes navigating Excel much easier. Entering data correctly. Accurate data entry is the foundation of every spreadsheet. A small mistake, such as entering text instead of a number or using inconsistent date formats, can affect calculations and reports. Some best practices include: keep one type of information per column, avoid leaving unnecessary blank rows, use consistent formatting, double-check important figures, clearly label every column with a descriptive header. For example, if you're creating a sales report, your columns might include date, customer name, product, quantity, unit price, total amount. Organizing your data properly from the start makes analysis much easier later. Formatting your spreadsheet. A professional spreadsheet should be easy to read. Excel offers many formatting tools to improve clarity. Bold headings, cell borders, background colors, currency formatting, percentage formatting, date formatting, number formatting, conditional formatting. For example, you can highlight overdue payments in red or top-performing sales figures in green using conditional formatting. Formatting isn't just about appearance. It helps users quickly identify key information. Understanding formulas. One of Excel's greatest strengths is its ability to perform calculations automatically. Every formula begins with an equal sign. Add two cells, subtract values, multiply quantities, divide totals. Instead of using a calculator, Excel performs calculations instantly and updates results automatically whenever the underlying data changes. This reduces manual work and minimizes errors. Practical workplace scenario. Imagine you're an accounts assistant. Your manager asks you to prepare a monthly expense report. A professional workflow might look like this. Enter all expense data. Format the spreadsheet clearly. Convert the data into a table. Use sum to calculate totals. Use average to calculate average spending. Apply conditional formatting to highlight high expenses. Insert charts to visualize spending by category. Filter data for specific departments. Save the file and share it with management. Instead of spending hours manually calculating figures, Excel completes most of the work automatically. Excel productivity tips. Here are some habits that can make you significantly more efficient. Use keyboard shortcuts whenever possible. Keep raw data separate from calculations. Label every column clearly. Avoid merged cells in large datasets. Save frequently. Back up important files. Use tables instead of plain ranges. Document complex formulas with comments. Check formulas before sharing reports. These small habits improve both speed and accuracy. Why advanced Excel skills matter. Imagine you're working in the finance department of a growing company. Every month, thousands of transactions are recorded. Management wants answers to questions such as, which product generated the highest revenue? Which department spent the most money? Which salesperson achieved the highest sales? Which customers purchase most frequently? What were our monthly profits? Which regions are growing fastest? If you tried to answer these questions manually, it could take hours or even days. Advanced Excel features allow you to answer these questions in just a few minutes. This is why professionals with strong Excel skills are highly valued across industries. Workplace scenario. Imagine you're a sales analyst. Every Monday, your manager asks for a weekly performance report. Instead of rebuilding it from scratch, you import the latest sales data, refresh your pivot tables, update your pivot charts, review the dashboard, export the report as a PDF, email it to management. A task that once took 3 hours now takes just 15 minutes. This is the true value of mastering Excel. Key takeaways before we move on. Let's summarize the advanced Excel skills we've covered. Pivot tables for summarizing large datasets. Pivot charts for visual reporting. Slices and timelines for interactive filtering. Lookup functions to connect related information. Logical functions for automated decisions. Text and date functions for data management. What-if analysis for forecasting. Dashboards for executive reporting. Data cleaning techniques for accuracy. Macros for automating repetitive tasks. These capabilities are highly sought after by employers because they improve efficiency and support better business decisions. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software used to visually communicate ideas, data, and information to an audience. It helps you convert complex topics into simple, structured, and engaging slides. PowerPoint is used for business presentations, sales pitches, training sessions, academic lectures, project updates, company meetings, marketing proposals, reports and reviews. In most organizations, your ability to present clearly can directly influence your career growth. Because decision makers don't just look at what you know, they look at how you present it. Understanding the PowerPoint interface. When you open PowerPoint, you will see Slides pane on the left, main slide editing area in the center, ribbon at the top with tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, and View. Each slide acts like a page in a visual story. Unlike Word or Excel, PowerPoint is not about long paragraphs. It is about short points, visual clarity, structured flow, strong visuals. Creating a strong presentation structure. A professional presentation always follows a structure. Most beginners make the mistake of putting too much text on slides, but professionals follow a simple flow. 1. Title slide introduces the topic. 2. Agenda slide shows what will be covered. 3. Main content slides break information into sections. 4. Supporting slides, charts, images, examples. 5. Conclusion slide, summary of key points. 6. Thank you slide, closing message. A clear structure helps your audience stay engaged and understand your message easily. Using images effectively. Images are powerful communication tools. A single image can explain what paragraphs cannot. But using images incorrectly can also distract your audience. Best practices. Use relevant images only. Avoid low-quality visuals. Keep images aligned properly. Don't overcrowd slides. Use images to support your message, not replace it. Presenting like a professional. A great presentation is not just about slides, it is about delivery. Follow these tips. Maintain eye contact. Speak clearly. Don't read slides word by word. Use pauses effectively. Engage your audience. Control your pace. Stay confident. Your delivery determines how your message is received. Common mistakes in PowerPoint. Many people make these mistakes. Too much text on slides, poor font choices, inconsistent colors, overuse of animations, reading directly from slides, cluttered design, lack of structure. Avoiding these mistakes immediately improves your presentation quality. Real workplace scenario. Imagine you are presenting a sales report to your manager. A beginner might put full paragraphs on slides, read everything directly, show unclear visuals.
Use clean bullet points, show charts from Excel, highlight key insights, speak confidently, keep slides minimal and impactful. Same information, but completely different impact. Why continuous practice matters. Learning Microsoft Office isn't something you complete in one day. Like any professional skill, improvement comes with practice. The more documents you create, the faster you become. The more spreadsheets you analyze, the stronger your Excel skills grow. The more presentations you design, the more confident you become in communicating ideas. Every small shortcut you learn saves time. Every advanced feature you master adds value to your professional profile. Consistency is what transforms a beginner into an expert. Today we've explored how Microsoft Office goes far beyond basic typing or creating simple spreadsheets. You've learned why these applications are essential in modern workplaces, how they improve productivity, reduce repetitive work, support collaboration, and help professionals perform at a higher level. Whether you're aiming for your first job, looking to grow within your current role, or building your own business, mastering Microsoft Office is an investment that continues to pay off throughout your career. The skills you develop today can save countless hours, improve the quality of your work, and create new opportunities for advancement. Special thanks to everyone who attended today's free MS Office Improve Work Performance workshop. We hope today's session helped you understand how Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and other Office tools can significantly improve your daily productivity and workplace efficiency.
Remember, this workshop is only the beginning. To truly master Microsoft Office and become highly productive in your professional career, you need hands-on practice, advanced techniques, real business scenarios, automation tools, and expert guidance. That's exactly what you'll receive in our complete Microsoft Office professional training program at Omni Academy. During the complete course, you'll learn Microsoft Word from beginner to advanced, advanced Excel with formulas, functions, pivot tables, dashboards, and automation, professional PowerPoint presentation design, Microsoft Outlook for email and calendar management, Microsoft Teams collaboration, Office productivity shortcuts and workflow optimization, real Office assignments and projects, professional certification preparation, career guidance and workplace productivity techniques. As a special thank you for attending today's workshop, all participants are eligible for an exclusive 20% discount on selected Microsoft Office training programs. This offer is available for the next 7 days only, so don't miss the opportunity to invest in your professional growth. If you'd like to enroll or learn more, simply contact us using the details provided in the description, or reach out through our website and social media channels. Our admissions team will be happy to guide you through the enrollment process. Also, don't forget to visit the Omni Jobs and Internship portal, where you can explore the latest internships, job opportunities, and career resources to help you take the next step in your professional journey. Thank you once again for joining us today. We truly appreciate your time and participation. We hope to see you in our complete Microsoft Office professional training program and in our upcoming free workshops. Keep learning, keep growing, keep improving your work performance.